We're counting on convenient measuring tools more and more that can shed light on plans for every design project. When you're out there making things happen, you need one ultimate measuring equipment to complement your talent. You need Meazor. What does this mean for your future of measure? It means you have instant two-dimensional scanning at your fingertips, data conceptualization on your smartphone. Welcome to the new age of compact and proficient measuring. The Meazor lets you perform meticulous measuring for high-end floor plan scanning. Simply place the Meazor on a surface, turning the body 360 degrees. Watch as your entire floor plan is captured and sent to your smartphone in seconds via Bluetooth. Further adding to its capabilities is the scale rolling ruler. You not only have dynamic measuring functionalities of straight lines and curves, but scale measuring made simple. Roll it across a surface and enjoy a fully customizable scale measuring feature that converts any scale into the units you need. With Meazor's intuitive smartphone app, you can instantly get the measuring results transferred. You can draw, edit, and save unlimited drawings and data. From here, you can export your findings to any workflow. Meazor is here to give you endless possibilities, high productivity, and workflow integration at its most convenient. For the seasoned architect, to the young product developer, to the creative DIY enthusiast, Meazor is for everyone. Fitting seamlessly into your pocket and your lifestyle. The Meazor has a multi-touch display with sleek aluminium alloy unibody frame for optimal performance and maximum durability. This is the ultimate measuring tool you've been looking for. Meazor, the future of measure.